Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2024 Jeep Grand Cherokee L Summit Reserve in bright white. With adaptive cruise control, active lane management system, 21-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and crosspath detection, heated and ventilated front seating, heated steering wheel, 27,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen, navigation, select terrain system, ventilated rear seats, panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 5.7-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D8019.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.